Hi everyone. So I'm in a little bit of a different setting, as you can see. This is not a kitchen. This is actually my home bathroom, my little private getaway, just somewhere where I can go and really relax and poop. I don't know. I've been asked a lot to do makeup tutorials because people always, they stop me in the streets and they're like, Amber, you are radiant. What do you do? And I'm like, oh my God, you guys. You have it or you don't. So today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. And look, here's the thing. If you can't do it like I can, please don't worry. Some of us are born with it. Some of us aren't. Maybe it's Maybelline. Maybe it's, something else. I don't know. I don't care. So let's get started because David's going to be home soon. And I really like to do this in private, as you can understand. So one thing you need to know about me as a person, I detest washing my hair. It is one of those things that I hate doing. I've never been able to come up with a good reason for it. I just hate doing it. So I do it as few times a week as I can, usually about 2 to 3. So this is dry shampoo right now. Okay, so what I do to get started is I use blush first. So this is Lorax, or I don't know, Pro. It's called Coral Crush. And I used to use NARS Orgasm, but they didn't sell it at Ulta, and I was too lazy to go to Sephora. So anyway, I start with this. And I tend to use a lot of blush. And I don't know why. I think because when I was in 5th grade and I started to try to wear makeup, my 5th grade teacher told my mom that I shouldn't wear so much blush. And I think this is probably just a huge fuck you to her. She's a great teacher. But she also told me, or my mom, that I shouldn't watch Friends. So I don't want to say she ruined my life, but she definitely shaped my life in an interesting way. To be fair, Friends was probably not an appropriate show for a 10-year-old to be watching. But what do I know? Anyway, so next I use this Sephora palette that was given to me by Amanda. Because I am too cheap to buy my own makeup. So this is a gift. It was probably used, but I don't think she has any eye diseases that I've seen. So I understand now why like most makeup people have like a mirror in front of them, like they do their makeup into, because this is really difficult, but I'm going to use this mirror here. Block my whole face. So really you just want to, I use this light shadow, just get in there, really create a nice palette, if you will. And I think one of the tips for me, never fully wash off your eye makeup. I'm just kidding, that's breeding grounds for an infection, but what are you gonna do? Then you're gonna use a L'Oreal palette that's kind of like a more expensive palette, but you're cheap and so you don't buy it. This is probably 3 years old from Target. So you're gonna use, I don't know which shades I use most. We'll literally never know. But I'm gonna use, I like that one. It's called number 3. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna get in here and you're just gonna dab it on. A dab will do ya. Just create a little color. So you don't look dead, really is your goal here. And that's, you know what, I've always, I read a lot of makeup books growing up. Kevin Aucoin specifically was one of my inspirations. And I believe one of his famous sayings was, makeup is just so you don't look dead. So you're gonna just keep doing that until, until you get bored with it, really. It's kind of my method. So you're gonna do that. Okay. I'm looking less dead. So then I kind of just throw on whatever color. I'm gonna use this like brown glitter. I don't know. Kind of darken it up a little bit. There we go. There we go. Just kind of in the crease, wherever you can find to put it in. I don't know, whatever. And then I like to do an even darker, like maroon. And let's see if I can get this just right into the crease there. Now a lot of people will tell you that you should blend this. Here's the thing. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. So if you don't want to, you don't have to. I don't do it, mainly because, I mean, there's a few reasons. Mainly I don't know how. And also that seems like a lot of work. And I am lazy. And that's one way to get your brushes clean. Easy as that. So I'm gonna do my brows, and then we're gonna take a break while I finish, because my brows are really my most distinguishable feature. So I use this e.l.f. palette in medium. I don't know why. As white as I am, medium is the color that works. So there's a gel, and there's a powder. I only use the powder because I don't really understand how to use the gel. So, you know. So we're going to do this. And basically you just fill it in. You just use the natural shape of your brow. And you just go in there. And you put it in. Wham bam. And you just keep going. I like to go until they look too dark. And then you're like, yeah, that's right. So see how sparse that is? Ooh. David's been trying to teach me how to raise one. I can raise this one. I can't do that one. He says I look like I'm in pain. There are children screaming outside. I don't know why. I moved here to not hear that. Just kidding. People probably say that about my kids all the time. Why are they screaming? Why did June tell me the other day that nothing I do will make her happy? Who knows? Okay, so we're gonna pause, and I'm gonna finish up, and then I'll come back with the full look. See you then. I was really proud of myself because I paused it and then I accidentally unpaused the wrong way. Anyway, so there you have it. I did some eyeliner and some mascara. Some natural light. That's it. This is my bathroom. Kind of messy right now, and I'm really sorry. Anyway, so that's it. Yeah, you know, just a few simple steps to becoming beautiful and a badass bitch. A lot of people finish with powder. I don't, because I don't know, I feel like it makes my skin look weird. That's honestly, I don't know why. I just feel like it looks weird. I got a new tattoo. Still in the peely phase, so that's cool. It says your girl. Don't worry about it. I got a new wedding ring. Oh, that's what we're doing tonight. Dave and I are going out to dinner because it's our 1 month wedding anniversary. We got married. Oh my god. And we couldn't be happier. Sorry, this is my bathroom window and I love spying on people out of here. So we're gonna go celebrate.